Hey everyone, it's Tanisha, and so today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day as someone who is healing for hormone balancing. And so if you're interested in that, this is going to be a video that you like. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I usually start off my day with a cold pressed juice. And so here I am showing you a 64 ounce or half gallon of cold pressed fruit juice. And I made this using green grapes, Granny Smith apples, and limes. And when I tell you it's so good, it's so delicious. You know how back in the day, or maybe they do still have the green apple Jolly Rancher candy? Well, I don't eat those types of things anymore because I'm more health conscious now. But this reminds me of like a natural version of that. It's just so yummy and it's so refreshing. And so, I'm all about hydration because I am detoxing my body for healing. And so, since I'm focused on hydration, I usually try to get about 1 gallon a day of water. And it may not be 100% water, but I may kind of split that up and do like a half a gallon of cold pressed juice and then a half a gallon of water. And this is just so good. You definitely have to try this recipe. Okay, next up, I'm going to be sharing with you a lemon water. And so, this lemon water is just usually something that I would drink. It's nice, it's refreshing, and adding lemons to your water is really good for your body. There's vitamin C, and it's a nice way to just help to continue to aid in detoxification. And so the next thing that I'm sharing with you is a salad that I ate. And so, oh my gosh, guys, this salad was so delicious. And so it consists of some arugula, some broccoli sprouts, which I grow myself. And I actually have a video just showing some broccoli sprouts that I grew in about 3 days. Pardon me, can't talk here. But yeah, so okay, we got arugula, broccoli sprouts, we got pickles, we have sauerkraut, we have some radicchio, and we have some kalamata olives, and it was so good. And I made my own dressing, which as a part of the detox, I do tend to make my own dressings just because a lot of salad dressings tend to have unnecessary additives, everything from sugar to too much salt to just all types of stuff that you probably can't even pronounce. And, I really discovered that it's actually pretty simple to just make your own salad dressings. You would be surprised. So yeah, I made a salad dressing for this one using just some avocado, and I put some herbs in it like dill, and I actually put some kalamata olive juice in it and a little bit of water and some onion powder. And I think that was it, and mixed it up, and it was so good. So had like a creaminess to it. And yeah, this was very delicious. And so the last thing I have is I made some Zoodles, which are zucchini noodles, and I added some marinara sauce. So this is basically a raw vegan version of spaghetti. And so let me tell you, I have tried this recipe in the past. I've tried making like a raw vegan version of spaghetti, and I've actually tried to make it quite a few times, and I never just enjoyed it. It was always just weird or just not even close to spaghetti. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't spaghetti. It's not. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a raw vegan version of spaghetti, but I wouldn't try to say, oh my God, it tastes better than spaghetti, or it tastes just like spaghetti. I'd be lying. It doesn't, but I have to say it wasn't bad. And so I did some research, and I came across this video. Actually, it was from basically another popular raw vegan influencer. And so she gave some tips, and I actually applied them, and I feel like it worked. So basically, one of the tips was make your sauce thicker because the zucchini noodles do tend to get a little watery. And then the other thing was you may have to pour the water off when you see they're getting watery. So, and then one of the things that I also tried that seemed to help is, so first of all, the way I made my recipe, and by the way, if anybody's interested in any of my recipes, please let me know, and I will put it in the I'll put it in my notes. And so, but I will say what the recipe was. And by the way, I did not follow any measurements for this one, but I will tell you that I used sun-dried tomatoes. I used some fresh tomatoes. I used some unsalted vegetable broth. I used some fresh basil. And then I also used a little bit of coconut aminos and onion powder, lots of onion powder, lots of garlic powder. And then I put in a little bit of some smoked paprika as well. And I blended it all up in the Vitamix, and it came out really good. And then the other thing I did that I think helped is I took the zucchini noodles and I actually seasoned them. So I seasoned it with onion powder and then some Italian seasoning, and I massaged it with my hands. And I actually liked it better. Now, it did like start to get a little watery by the time I had finished making my sauce. So I just poured the water off, and I actually liked it this time. So definitely you may want to try that. But yeah, this is what I eat in a day. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video, and let me know if you plan on trying any of these recipes. All right, bye.